If you've ever grown cucumbers in your home garden and noticed that some of the fruits are misshapen or deformed, the problem could be that your blossoms are not being sufficiently pollinated. This could be due to the weather or a lack of pollinators visiting your plants. To help prevent this, you can make like a bee and pollinate. Try hand pollinating your cucumbers. Find a female flower where the stem looks like a mini cucumber and a male flower that has a straight stem. Take a small paintbrush or cotton swab and carefully insert it into the male flower and collect some of the pollen from the stamen. Then go to the female flower and carefully move it around the flower's center to spread the pollen on the stigma. You should repeat this process several times while your cucumbers are blooming, and hopefully you will have some perfect cukes in your harvest.